not have walked the ramp, but Rani Mukherjee Chopra was in the audience to support best friend Sabyasachi as he displayed a stunning creation on day one of the India Couture Week in Delhi.
Each time you come for Sabya's show and it's better than the last time. So it's great to come for Sabya's show and expect something because you know that you will get something more each time. And even today when you see the set, it's so beautiful, the train, and it just makes you feel very, very nostalgic. And I can only say that I'm really lucky to have Sabya as my brother, as my friend, as my family, and I'm so lucky to know him, in fact, because he makes such beautiful clothes. I've always said when I see Sabya's clothes, I just have a tear in my eye because I can just see the hard work and the blood and the sweat that goes into each costume. And I don't know, when I see Sabya's clothes, I just feel like crying. But yeah, also to think that after the models wear them, the clothes will be cut to my size and I can wear them too. So that's a good feeling.
Now, while Sabya's creations get Rani to tears, Shraddha Kapoor's recent fashion outing at the ongoing Jewelry Week in Mumbai had fashion pundits wanting to cry out loud. Now, what really was she thinking? And singing.
आज एक्चुअली ये नए ज्वेलरी लाइन को लॉन्च करने के साथ साथ ही इस खुशी में मैंने रैंप पर एक ये गलियां अनप्लग गा दिया। इन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट किया था तो मैंने गा दिया। सो आई गेस दैट्स अ वे ऑफ सेलिब्रेटिंग। फील्स अमेजिंग। आई ओwe माई लाइफ टू मोहित सूरी, दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से, एंड आई कैन नेवर थैंक यू इनफ। अब तक जो सबसे स्पेशल गिफ्ट मुझे मिली है वो मेरी मम्मी से मिली है, और वो एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत हार्ट शेप्ड डायमंड रिंग है, और वो मैं मतलब इट्स वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट। मैं उसे पहनती भी नहीं हूँ, मैंने उसे बस लॉक करके घर पे रखा हुआ है।
Kangana Ranaut as Anju Modi's graceful bride, or master couturier Rohit Bal putting up a stunning show. Well, there's lots to look forward to in Delhi and Mumbai as both these cities are quite buzzing on the fashionometer this week. With Imtiaz Imam, this is Griha from the India Couture Week in Delhi for Times Now.